Okay guys, so I got a wild hair up my butt and I decided to build one of these JD's Garage plasma cutters. So I looked on a lot of videos about how to wire it up, all that. There wasn't a lot. This is kind of the layout of it. So I used all unshielded wire for this. My best advice is what I did is I started from my transformer here, my power supply, and I ran all my power supply wires to my drivers and everything. And then from there, I went and I started running my wires from each driver to the board. And then I came down, I just worked my way down until I got to my switches here, which are going to be for the torch control and everything like that. And then I just started running all those. I'm at the stage now where I'm starting to wire up my motor controls, so my high voltage. So I got the box, it's all drilled out, got connectors in it, everything like that. So I am now making cables that are insulated. So the cable I bought from Amazon does not come with, sorry, this is going to be a raw, unedited video for you guys. I just want to see who has interest in this. This cable does not have the drain wire. You want to make sure you get a drain wire. So what I did is this has a mesh around it. And so I used some solder seal connectors and I soldered in to the mesh a drain wire. Make sure you got that drain wire. That will make a huge difference. This is my second plasma cutter I have made. I just went and picked this up from Harbor Freight. It's a helping hands because trying to solder these connectors is no fun. These are 5-pin connectors. The motors only require 4 pins. The 5th pin we're using as that drain wire, so that drain wire can go all the way up to the motor. They have very good plans on this. This is my second one I've built. I built one before that was very basic, that I built out of my brain, but I never finished it. I had the controllers laying on the ground and everything like that, so it was a nightmare. So I ended up taking a Sawzall and cutting it up. So I'm building a second one here. I'm going to do a little better job on this. I want to get your guys' interest if you guys want more videos on the processes and building this. Here is all the tubes for the tube frame. So I have drilled everything and I have just painted it. So everything is painted. I know JD's Garage says do not paint where the bearings go, but the paint I'm using is very thin. You guys probably know Steel It paint. This is a knockoff version of that. It's a weldable 308 stainless paint, so it's a very thin coating just to keep everything from rusting. So this is the coating I'm using. It's a stainless blast 30, actually it's a 3/16 stainless steel finish. You can weld through it, everything like that. Technically this is Steel It, but it's a different brand and it's a lot cheaper. So this is what I'm using for my frame. I tried to 3D print some of the parts, but I ended up saying screw this. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy the parts from JD's Garage. My 3D parts, the layers started separating and stuff like that. So those will be here in a few days. Right now I'm working on all the electronics. So for the electronics, I have my power supply. I got my X, Y, and I'm going with the Z axis. I recommend everybody to do the Z axis. I custom built a Z axis on my last one and it was day and night difference because the metal starts to warp. I want to go with a THC, but I'm not sure how it's going to work yet. because I want to use a cheap Yes Welder plasma cutter. So I'm going to be looking into how I can use the Yes Welder that does not have a CNC port, but use a THC on it. This is the brand new controller that they're using. This is the 32-bit with the actual screw lugs. We got the 2 switches here. So I went ahead and wired everything up by itself before I put it in the box. It was a lot easier. What I'm going to wire up once I put it in the box is going to be all of my cables. So it's going to be my power switch, my XYZ access. On this side here is my Z stop switch, and then it is the torch control switch. So these are all 5-pin connectors that all come out the side of the box. So everything, this box is completely removable. So I'm gonna get back to making me these cords up here. So I'm just kind of making cords here. So let me know if this is something you guys want to see more of, some more in-depth stuff. But my main thing I never saw a lot of was the control box, and unfortunately when I wired this I didn't take any videos of it. But if you want to see it from coming on forward here, let me know. Thanks. You guys have a great day.